Step into a world of playful discovery where farm friends and wild explorers come together in the sandy wonderland. From curious cows and mischievous goats to sneaky foxes and wise old owls, each animal brings its own charm to the sandbox. Watch as they dig, hide, and leave behind tiny tracks. What secrets will they uncover? In this whimsical sandbox adventure, you'll meet 15 adorable farm animals, like fluffy sheep, clucking chickens, and waddling ducks, all ready for fun. But wait. Llamas have been used for centuries to carry loads, up to 25 to 30% of their body weight, for long distances. Llamas are smart, easy to train, and form strong bonds with other llamas and sometimes humans. Buffalo can weigh between 1,000 to 2,000 pounds, 450 to 900 kilograms, depending on species. Their thick hide protects them from bites and injuries. Buffalo eat mostly grass, but also shrubs and aquatic plants. They spend many hours a day grazing and need access to water. Foxes are canids, meaning they're related to dogs, wolves, and coyotes, but they have some cat-like traits too. Foxes are omnivores. They eat small mammals, insects, fruits, vegetables, and even garbage in urban areas. Foxes make a high-pitched scream during mating season or territorial disputes. It can sound very eerie at night. Geese belong to the Anatidae family, which includes ducks and swans. The most common are Canada geese, snow geese, and grey-lag geese. Geese are found across North America, Europe, and Asia, often near lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Geese mainly eat grass, grains, and aquatic plants. They may also eat insects or small invertebrates occasionally. Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to their own group called lagomorphs, along with hares and pikas. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet, 1 meter high, and 10 feet, 3 meters long in a single leap, which they eat to absorb extra nutrients. It's normal and healthy. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication, especially over long distances. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments. Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning their young are born very early and continue to develop in a special pouch. Kangaroos live freely in the wild, but they are also protected by law in Australia to ensure their survival. Kangaroos have excellent eyesight and hearing, helping them spot danger from far away. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals native to North America, known for their distinctive black mask markings around their eyes. Raccoons are very smart animals, capable of solving puzzles, remembering solutions for years. Black panthers are typically found in rainforests or dense jungle regions, where their dark coat gives them a survival edge. Black panther popularized the name globally. Although the character's namesake is fictional, it draws from the animal's mystery and power. Moose are the largest of all deer species, with adult males, bulls, standing 5 to 7 feet, 1.5 to 2.1 meters at the shoulder and weigh up to 1,600 pounds, 725 kilograms. Moose live in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. Snakes have no legs but can move quickly and quietly using their muscles and scales. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Snakes flick their tongues to taste the air and pick up scent particles, which helps them find prey. Alligators are cold-blooded reptiles and belong to the same order as crocodiles, but they are different animals. Alligators eat fish, birds, turtles, mammals, and even carrion, dead animals. They wait quietly in water and lunge at Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk shortly after birth. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Farmers often use goats to clear land of unwanted vegetation. Goats are raised around the world for milk, meat, Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. Tigers mostly live and hunt alone, marking large territories to keep others away. Unlike most cats, tigers love water and are strong swimmers. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 2 miles, 3 kilometers away. Their stripes help them blend into the forest shadows. Tigers are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, with fewer than 4,000 left in the wild. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Zebras need to drink water daily. Cows have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, 1 calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Cows can find their way home over long distances using the Earth's magnetic field. Cows use different moos to communicate with their calves or other herd members. In this whimsical sandbox adventure, you'll meet 15 adorable farm animals, like fluffy sheep, clucking chickens, and waddling ducks, all ready for fun. But wait, who's that lurking in the corner? 5 wild animals, including a sly raccoon and a playful squirrel, have joined the party. Can you spot them all before they scamper away?